Right now, you're flying through space at 220 kilometers per second. Yes, even while sitting still, you're racing around the Milky Way galaxy. And trust me, our home galaxy is far weirder, wilder, and more mysterious than you think. Today, I'm revealing 5 surprising facts about the Milky Way that will completely change how you see the universe. Number 1 is absolutely mind-bending. Let's dive in. The Milky Way looks peaceful in pictures, but in reality, it's a cosmic giant. For years we believed it was about 100,000 light-years wide, but new research shows it could be almost 200,000 light-years across. That's so huge, even light, the universe's fastest traveler, would take 200,000 years just to cross it. Most of us will never leave Earth, but we're living inside one of the biggest structures nature has ever created. Everyone imagines the Milky Way as a perfect flat spiral, but surprise, it's actually warped and twisted like a cosmic potato chip. Why? Scientists believe the outer edges of the galaxy are being tugged by mysterious forces, possibly dark matter or past collisions with dwarf galaxies. This warp tells us the Milky Way is still evolving, still changing, and still recovering from cosmic impacts across billions of years. At the heart of the Milky Way sits a true cosmic beast, Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole weighing 4 million times the mass of our Sun. Stars near it move at insane speeds, some completing an orbit in just 16 years. Space bends, time stretches, and physics breaks down near this strange object. Without this black hole, the Milky Way wouldn't hold its structure. It's the invisible engine that keeps our galaxy together. Our galaxy looks calm, but it's actually heading straight toward another giant, the Andromeda galaxy. The collision is unavoidable, set to happen in about 4 billion years. When the two galaxies merge, stars will be thrown around like cosmic fireworks. But don't panic. The chance of our Sun hitting another star is tiny. Instead, we'll become part of a new super-galaxy scientists have already named Milkdromeda. And here's the most surprising fact of all. The Milky Way is still eating other galaxies. Yes, literally eating them. Our galaxy constantly absorbs smaller dwarf galaxies, adding their stars, gas, and dark matter to its structure. The Sagittarius dwarf galaxy is being torn apart and stretched like spaghetti across the Milky Way. This ongoing cosmic feast reveals how galaxies evolve, by colliding, merging, and consuming smaller neighbors. The Milky Way isn't just a galaxy. It's a growing, living, cosmic creature. So, there you have it. A galaxy twice as big as we thought, warped like a cosmic ripple, powered by a monster black hole, headed for a galactic crash and still growing every second. The Milky Way isn't just our home, it's an active, dynamic, ever-changing universe in itself. If these facts blew your mind, hit like, subscribe, and comment with which Milky Way fact shocked you the most. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars, because we're living inside something extraordinary.